Habari yenu?
Nzuri.
Our county commissioner, my colleagues in government, and members of the fourth estate. We are very excited to be in Kisii region this evening, and you have seen, and if you see these faces and you go checking each one of them what they do, all of them are working for the government. And one of the reasons that has brought us here is because our members of public have a right to know what the government of the day is doing. And one of the key things that we talk about is development. When you talk about the government of the day, you have seen in the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, we have 5 key areas: agriculture, health, housing, digital economy, and we also have MSME. You have seen in the recent past, if I may start off, we have seen the Nyota program, which the young people, and not just young people, they are people or young people who have not gone past Form 4. Meaning they ever never went ahead after finishing grade 8, Form 4, and probably they are just at home or doing biashara here and there. And the government of William Samoei Ruto has come up with a project for Nyota, to ensure that we tap into these young people by giving them financing for their businesses. Already, this money is being disbursed to ensure that these people start their businesses or even scale up their businesses. And of course, you've seen in the issues of healthcare, we have the Social Health Authority, and SHA is working. It is not very easy to just tell somebody to go and register somewhere and benefit out of the services that are given. But we are telling Kenyans, go and register to the Social Health Authority. Once you register, walking into level 2, walking into level 3, walking into level 4, outpatient, get treated, get your medication, and go home without being asked for a coin. And we are also saying that if you get into an accident, boda, or any other, you can even fall in your bathroom in the morning, that there is emergency, chronic, and critical illness fund that is in SHA that will take care of you wherever you are, any corner of this country. We want the members of the public to know this information. And who is the better person to tell the members of public that, other than these people standing with me here, led by myself? And again, it is the high time that you got to know that with the Social Health Authority, if you're pressed of funds and you're not able to pay your yearly subscription, then we have brought in the product Lipa Sha Pole Pole. And what we are telling you is, what the ministry is telling you is, Lipa Sha Pole Pole, kama hauna hiyo fedha yote, serikali inakupea ile fedha, alafu wewe unaelezea serikali kama utakuwa unalipa kisiku, kwa wiki, ama per month, if you're not able to pay for the whole year. So in general, universal health coverage is here with us in Kenya. Many countries have tried and they have failed, because universal health coverage does not just talk about SHA. I am also talking about the healthcare workers. I am talking about their welfare. I am talking about the commodities. And you have heard, I'm saying, when you go to the facility, you get treated, you must get out of there with drugs. I am talking about the equipment. Already there is a cancer center that has been set for this region, and this is to ensure that people or citizens from this region do not go to very far areas to seek oncology services, bringing services closer to the people. Housing project, transforming informal settlement and ensuring that there is dignity to each and every Kenyan, wherever you are. And the housing project is across the country. The government of the day has not chosen that this is the only county we are going to construct houses. We are saying we are doing it for the people of Kenya. Every Kenyan has a right to quality health, to affordable house, and many other. Agriculture. You have seen issues of subsidized fertilizer. I mean, bringing the prices of fertilizer from 7,000 to 2,500 is not just amazing, but it's a game changer for any farmer in this country. And that is why we are saying that information needs to be cascaded. Even how to get that subsidized fertilizer is information good enough that this team needs to give you. I want to applaud the National Government Administration because they have had that program up to Mashinani, and they were able to register very many farmers. And we are continuing. And equally, even now, they are helping us to register people to the Social Health Authority. Again, ladies and gentlemen, we have seen markets coming up, being built in every other market, every other county. And we are saying that those markets, there's also digitalization. The young people are able to access Wi-Fi, they are able to do their work, they are able to do business, because digital economy is the way to go. And we are here with the director Konza, who can explain further later about the digital economy and the many computers, laptops that they have distributed into schools to ensure that we align with the global space and equally ensure that we are up to date as a country. Our young people, today if you send me to read a speech, rarely do I carry my paper. I go with my phone, the same phone that I call with. My phone is a moving office. So that is where we are going today. We are not going to the, yesteryears, where when you go to a facility or when you go to a hospital, you would go with a quarter exercise book. We are past that. The healthcare system is totally digitized. We have the healthcare digital superhighway. So really, the digital economy again is a space that we need to help and tell the young people that they can make money out of the phones that they have. The smartphone that you have can earn you money, even in social media. Ladies and gentlemen, I am here in Kisii together with directors, CEOs, chairs of parastatals. And I'm accompanied with the same chairs, CEOs, and directors of boards from parastatals from Mount Kenya region. And we are joining hands to ensure that we are speaking the same voice. That is the most important. And we are telling the mwananchi the truth. This government does not require siasa sahi. Sisi tunataka kufanyia wananchi kazi. Sisi tunataka wananchi wapate. Give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. And the only way we can do this is ensuring that we are delivering services. And services must get to the right people at the right time. I want to